Hi everyone, I'm Meeghan Mullin, and I'm a professional makeup artist. Hair loss from chemotherapy and other cancer treatments can be quite upsetting. What I'm going to show you today is how to pencil in your eyebrows. It's not as hard as you might think, it's very easy, and we're going to take it step by step. So when choosing a shade, it's important to consider what your hair color is or was, and then go from there. So for Julia, I've selected the color Light. I'm using a pencil by Beauty Counter. So the first thing we're going to do is sharpen the pencil. You have a nice sharp point, it makes everything a lot easier. So step one, take your pencil, go right to the iris of your eye, which is the small dark part in the center, find your midway point, and then go a little bit to the left or to the right, just depending upon what eye you're working on. Find that and start using very light, short strokes and work your way down towards the end. Now, how do you find the end of your brow? Very simple again. Using your pencil as a guideline, you just go to the end of the eye on an angle, find your point, and that is where the brow should end. Then for the beginning of the brow, you're going to take your pencil, you put it against the side of your nose, again, depending upon which eye you're working on. Filling in, working up till you get to that arch. So once we have the majority of the brows filled in, what you're going to do is take the other end of the pencil, otherwise known as the spoolie, and you're going to blend it. Just combing in your brows, but it really helps to blend the color into the hair if there is hair. If there isn't hair, it's still just a nice thing to do because it will also help to blend the color. So if you don't have any hair at the moment, a good product to consider is something by a company called EcoBrow. And it's a waxier based substance that has a little bit more pigment to it. And you're just going to take a teeny bit onto the brush at a time. I always recommend kind of getting the majority of it off on your hand first before you start. What you want to do is put your finger up to your brow bone, take your pinky, and kind of just place it right there. And that's typically where your brow needs to start. And that's it, we're done. Feel free to practice, play around, find a technique that suits you, but these are your basic guidelines for just your everyday brow look.